ideas of pimp my stovepipe hat, Hammond and I think we might be onto something with our train, so we will, in fact, pick that up later.
We will, but now it is time to put a star in our reasonably priced car. And my guest tonight is quite simply Rowan Atkinson!
120 souls. Finally get you here.
Thank you so much.
So much.
Have a seat. Rowan Atkinson. So, Rowan, obviously, not the 9 o'clock news. Yes. Mr. Bean, you are, Blackadder. Yes. But may we begin by talking, if you don't mind, about the Honda NSX. You were a fan, yes, I believe, of the Honda.
I have owned one, yes.
And why did you find that?
Well, I liked its sort of modesty. I liked its sort of understatedness. I liked the fact that it was a very good car, and yet it didn't shout itself, and it was sort of image-free. I think that's what I liked about it.
This is nice. I like talking to a man about cars.
Yeah, it's the only thing I can really talk about.
Yes, cool. Well, it's fair, which is why we've looked forward for so many years to have you on. And, of course, the McLaren F1 was another one of your...
Which I've still got, 14 years.
You still have it?
Yeah, 14 years.
Now, that is more interesting, because I don't like that.
Yes, I know, you've never been wild about it, but I don't know, you've got to live with it. I mean, I've lived with it for 14 years, and I've done a lot of miles in it. I've done 37,000 miles.
In a McLaren?
Which for a McLaren is a lot.
And you actually lent yours to us, I seem to recall.
Unbelievable.
What
Unbelievable.
on earth possessed you to say, yes, Top Gear have rung, saying, can they borrow my most prized possessions?
I know. For some reason, I trusted you more than most people trust you, Jeremy.
It wasn't it. It was Richard Hammond as well, I believe, who has a reputation for driving in a straight line with no incidents at all.
All right, yes.
You had an Aston Martin the last time we saw